ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Myntri ke terat pulih putih ke Sarkar Jela urakam ia sangma hakar pesantren unaitung lahir daladi banjurib ya ke Kynroh juga Government Girls Higher Secondary School Jawai ke belah Khyllem nama ke cyclone Remal. Hagar ke Jingkheiñ jurib ladan lang MLA ke thany ba wailat Miki Shella ke Director Higher and Technical Education ke Hazel DB sangma lor kiwe. Habakran bar Myntri ulong ba ulalit jungo e Government Girls Higher Secondary School banjurib ya ke Kynroh ke belah Khyllem haga jing hapslam ke Badangshan ba ulapan ke Jingkheiñ jing dia ni ke bor penya school. Nak bentaban Maramot ya ke Kynroh ba ulapintikna ba on le kham kloy ya ka kam.
We wanted to change the nomenclature of the school. This government girls high school is just to see the wall which was collapsed in the last rainy times, I think so, if I'm not wrong. So we have asked them to prepare the estimate and to place before the government, and we'll do the need. We are working on this. Very soon we will be sending in all lecture, because not only here, in all the government high secondary school, all the lecturers, all the principal and vice principals are back end, including SDSU, DSUs. So one officer holding a triple, all the responsibility in the sector. We know. So we are working on this and wait for next 2-3 weeks. We are sending all the packets to be filled.